To embed code in Squarespace. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. From there, you can either start a free trial or log in to an existing account to access your website. Once you've accessed your site, go to one of your pages and click the Edit button, which will take you to the editor. In the editor, you'll see various options, including the ability to add a block. Click on Add Block to view the available block types, such as text, image, video, and embed. Select the Embed option, which will allow you to add an embedded URL or code snippet. To do this, click on the Edit button within the Embed block, and then choose whether to add a link or a code snippet. You can then copy and paste your code into the designated area. This process enables you to easily embed code in your Squarespace website, allowing for greater customization and functionality.